Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to try this kind of candy. No, I actually like this kind of candy. So let's get into it. So okay. Oh. So there is 1 flavor, 2 flavor, 3 flavor, 4 flavor, 5 flavors. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is ice cream. This is cherry. This is orange. This is lemon, I think. I think so, and this is lime.
Well, you're awful nosy. Come over to my thing and flip up my pumpkin seeds. Do you want some?
Nah.
Are you sure?
Nah.
You can have them if you want them.
Nah.
Why do you think I told him he was nosy? That's okay, buddy. I ain't mad at you. I'm just messing with you. Okay. You sure you don't want them?
Nah.
You want to try them?
Nah.
They're really good.
Mm-mm. Sorry guys, that was just my bad. Nah. Nah. That was good. I think this one is actually I'm making a YouTube video.
Well, here's your thing.
What thing?
Your compass.
This is the blue one. This is the lime. I like the other ones. This is lime. That is good. I'm just looking at the bag. Okay, so this was the green one. And I'm gonna try this one. I think I don't like this one, but I think this is lemon. Okay, this is lemon. It says I don't like the blue one. The one I don't like. I like the white one best.
Hey, dude, when you get done making your video, bring your thing to me so I can turn your data off.
Okay. Okay. So this is the orange one. Ah. You know those things when you cut like half of them out? It tastes just like it. Like applesauce or something, it's like that. That's good. Now this one I like. Now this is the orange one. I like the orange one too. Okay. Now the final one. That is good. I taste you, Kelly. That is this one. This is a cherry.
You got enough bags. That's why we can't put it on the trash.
Okay, guys, you gotta see this. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is how I ate it. Where's the green one? Oh heck, it's all over. Oops, sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so the green. So I like this one the best. I like this one too, but the green one I like too, and the blue one I like. This one, I don't like the blue one. And I like this one. Thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.